Kia ora, good morning, happy Thursday. I am Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. And anytime you see anyone on camera wearing a jacket, it probably means their shirt isn't sufficiently pressed underneath. Yeah. Okay, coronavirus. It is certainly still there, but we, the wider we, the market we, enjoyed a bit of a breather from the real market-crushing corona-related headlines overnight. What we did see, though, was the Bank of Canada, the BOC. They jumped on the rate-cutting wagon, a broadly as expected 50 basis point reduction at a scheduled meeting. Important distinction at the moment. That brings their cash rate down to 1.25%, more or less in line with the US. What else? Corona styles. Yeah, more global infections, just the usual there. On the data front, the US was in focus, though, yeah, the data was for February, so maybe of limited impact. At any rate, services sector that expanded at a more rapid than anticipated pace, and a private employment survey suggested more jobs were created than forecast. Yeah, so good. But yeah, as I said, things have already well and truly moved on from February. In terms of market movements then, global equity indices, they rebounded, partially rebounded. Gains of 1% or 2% across the board, driving those advances. Yeah, no new major corona news. Hope that the promised stimulus, fiscal and monetary, will continue to be delivered and do its job. And, Joey Biden, he is doing well in the US elections, the Democratic nomination. That probably helped too. Yeah, markets like a known quantity. What else overnight? Commodities, right, pretty subdued there. Not a lot of action, really. Locally, the Kiwi that is holding a 40-ish point range, capped around 63 US cents, supported around 62.6. From a global currency perspective, volatility persists. More volatility than usual, but less than we've seen of late. So, comparatively calm, I guess. Relatively calm. One of those. Yeah, right. Shorter and sharper this morning. No need to drag it out. Just have a great Thursday of regular hand washing and elbow sneezing. Elbow sneezing. Yeah, ka kite anō.